What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing dip powder nails at home. I am using this Rossi Glam powder trial kit that was sent to me. I am going to unbox it with you. So in this particular kit, you get 4 dipping powders, you get a base coat, an activator, and a top coat. You will notice that the steps start at number 2 instead of 1. Step 1 is a primer. It is available on the website. This kit does not come with it. Also in the box came a direction pamphlet that shows you each step to take to accomplish the dip powder nails. It also comes with a coupon, $10 off your next purchase. So first I'm going to prep my nails. I need to clear off or push back my cuticles, then clear off the dead skin, which I'm doing. Then I take this electrical file that I got for Amazon and remove all the shine off my nails. So the next step in my nail prep, I am taking this 100% acetone with a lint-free wipe and using that to wipe all of the lint and dust off my nails. So now I'm going to use this brand ASP dehydrant to dehydrate my nails. Since this kit did not come with a nail primer, you will need one. I got this one from Sally's Beauty. I should have put on my nail tips before all those steps, but it's okay. I'm going to put on my nail tips now. So out of all the 4 colors, I like this color Pink Mood the most. It is the cutest to me, so I'm going to choose this one for this look. So dip powder is fairly simple. You're going to take the step number 2, which is the base coat, put a thin layer on your nail, your entire nail, and then you just simply dip it into the powder. You want to make sure you don't get the base coat on your skin, because wherever you put the base coat is where the powder is going to go. So after I coat the nail with the powder, I brush the excess powder off. If you don't have on tips, then you probably will only need to repeat this step twice. But since I have tips, I'm going to repeat this step at least 4 or 5 times because I really want to build up this product so my nail is strong. And of course, the more you repeat this step, the more opaque the color becomes. So once you have built up your nail to your liking, you want to move to step 3 and put the activator all over the nail. You want to make sure you put it all over where the powder is because this is what makes the powder hard like acrylic. So now it's time to file and shape my nails. When it comes to filing and shaping my nails, I like for my nails to really look sharp and nice. So because I built this product up so much, you can see the shape is off by a lot. This is 6 layers of powder. If you use less layers, then the shape won't be too crazy. But I know that I am really about to go in with the file. I am about to pick up the e-file and make sure I really shape these nails how I want them to be shaped. So starting off, I always want to make sure I clean up the cuticle area, make that as smooth as possible. I don't like for it to look lumpy or anything, so I go in real good with the e-file. If you don't have an e-file, you can use a regular nail file, which I am also using to make sure my shape of my nails are really sharp around the corners. So once I'm done filing and shaping, I go back in with a buffer to smooth all the nails out. Now it's time for the last step, which is step 4, top coat. This is what gives the nail its shine and brings the nail to life, as you see. Here are my nails before I bling out one of the nails. I wanted to show what it looks like before I add color to one of my nails on each hand. So here is a sparkly gel polish I got off of Amazon. I am only going to apply this to one finger per hand. So here are the finished results of my nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.